Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECLAST T50 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures and the other way around. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the system. Then let's tap on gestures, and here we've got navigation mode, so let's tap. As you can see, we've got 2 different options, so if you wish to set the 3 button navigation, simply tap on this option here, and your device will immediately display this bar with three icons. We can tap on the settings icon and manage the option to hold home for assistant. It's up to you whether you want to use it or not. To set the gesture navigation, simply tap on this option at the top, and instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. Here we've got the settings also, and same, so we can swipe to invoke assistant or change the back sensitivity to lower or higher, and I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. So if you wish to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center and release the finger. And the same situation from the left side. If you wish to come back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the button to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short. So something like that. And if you wish to open the recent, so repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And here we've got the resets. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.